How to fix Zangi app stuck on verifying. Okay, let's tackle that annoying problem when your Zangi app gets stuck on verifying the screen. You are trying to log in or set it up and it just hangs there. Ever had that happen? Alright, here's are the few simple things you can try. The first up, the classic. Check your internet connection. Zangi needs a stable internet connection to verify are you on the Wi-Fi. Try switching to the mobile data or the vice versa. Sometimes a weak signal is the culprit. If your internet looks good, the next easiest step is force close and reopen the app. Don't minimize it, actually close it completely from your recent app. Then tap on the Zangi icon and open it again. Did that help? And if you're still stuck, how about giving your whole device a quick restart? Turn your phone or tablet off and back it on. This can clear temporary glitches that might be affecting the app. A slightly more involved step, depending on your device, is clearing the app cache. This won't usually delete the conversation, but it cleans out the temporary files. Be a little careful if you clear the data too. That might reset the app entirely. Look for the Zangi in the device and the app setting. Let's go to the Zangi app info, and there you can see storage and cache. Simply tap on it, and under it you will see an option for the clear cache. Simply tap on it and it's done. Finally, if nothing works, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the Zangi app. Make sure you remember your login details if you need them. This gives a fresh start with the app. Hopefully, one of those steps got your Zangi app verifying correctly again. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.